How I told the power company to fuck off with no experience, no $30,000 system, and no permits. From paying this to paying zero, look at that meter spin backwards. Fucking beautiful bitches. Listen up, get your screwdrivers ready, get your brains ready, get everything fucking ready, because I'm about to give you the most insane off-grid blueprint and put you on fucking game. I had really bad anxiety every time the wind blew, always just had blackouts all over, like I'm talking Stone Age living. I was so angry at the rates that I could not even look at a bill without shredding it, burning it, or anything. I couldn't even look at the mailman. But I'm gonna show you how I stopped all that with no technician, no bank loan, no insanely complex engineering. Starting with the collection, I use old car alternators for whenever I have wind, spin, or motion, which is a massive power source that creates amps that people don't talk about if you don't rig it up right. And then step 2, bitch, this is the holy grail. I don't give a fuck what the naysayers say, because the junkyard generator, write this down, this insanely powered my fridge, specifically my deep freezer and everything, but it powered my tools. I put my dad on this, I put my teacher on this, I put my boss on this. You can use this to charge your car overnight as well. Baby, there's a secret manual to this. Take the guide in your hand, make sure your gloves are on. By the way, you dependent bitch, because you can't rely on the state for everything and expect clear survival. Take about this much, know how put it all together. I know you're wondering, bitch, where's the fuel? We start fuel less. You're gonna build this for a day and consistently use it. And after you run it for one day, let it save for another day. Once it's done saving, we're going to celebrate. And like I said before, no lies, this is literally my garage. No grid tie, no nothing. Once that's all done, do not fucking open your fucking wallet. Do not pay the same crooks you just broke up with. Immediately after that, we're going to check our storage. And as you see, this is fucking not sponsored. I use this bitch up to the max. This was my holy fucking grail. It's a refurbished bank called the Indestructible Powerwall. The shit changed my fucking life. It runs lights. It can act as a backup system. There's so many fucking functions for this shit. It's dense, but it feels so liberating when it takes the load off your wallet. And for my people with high usage, this really helps with that as well. It's going to really brighten up your future and make everything fucking secure. You see that? That's literally right after fucking switching over. If I'm cooking a turkey, yes, I use propane, but I turn on this electric setup and I promise you, it's so good. It's outage free. This is for disaster prone zones because lines tend to fall down more than anything fucking else I've ever seen, and there's no noise pollution. I know this looks like a lot of tech, but we're going to blend it into the shed and everything. It literally gives me a huge difference in peace. Like, my life is fucking reflecting stability right now. And to my people who stay till the end, I have the biggest fucking money and power secret for you ever. Specifically, if you have tyrannical utility monopolies, this is a method called load shifting. You can save massive amounts, but I would definitely start small. This is what truly cleared all of my debt stress alongside the generator. It cleared it all the way up. And then finally, I just watch TV and look at that. Literally look at that. Click the link in bio for the secret plans. Love you guys. Bye.